My name is Gabe with JTech. Today I'm going to show you how to volt drop test battery packs. Firstly, we took out the fuel injector fuse. It's a 30 amp fuse. Right, we got to take that out so we can crank the engine over and over and over, and it won't crank. Now, the first test we're going to take the positive post, and I'm going to go to the battery. Okay. Hit it, Jay. Alright, we got about 100 millivolts there. We're going to stay under 500. That's the limit. Okay, so it's 0.5 volts, 500 millivolts. Same exact thing. So that's what it means. Okay, next one, we're going to go from the positive 1 to the starter. Hit it. Jay. Alright. So that one hit about 175. Alright. So next we're going to go to the negative terminal and do the same thing, except we're going to go to the cases. Alright, so negative terminal, and we're going to go to the case of the alternator. Hit it, Jay. Alright, that almost hit 300. Alright, so next one, we're going to go over to the starter. Positive lead is going to go on the case. Negative lead is going to go on the negative side. Alright, crank it up. Alright, hit almost 300. But still in the limits. Alright, we got one more to do. Alright. Negative is on negative. Positive is going to go on post on the chassis. Okay. Alright, that is within limits. Alright, the reason we do this test is to make sure that there's no voltage drop between your battery and whatever it's getting to. Okay, so between your battery and your alternator, it needs full power. So 500 millivolts, 0.5 volts is the spec for that. Same thing with the start. You know, if it's anything less, it's not going to crank up, and then it's not going to do it. So once we're done with that, what we're going to do is we're going to take 30 amp fuse. We're going to put it back so that the engine will crank up when we want it to start again. And that is how you volt drop test a battery.